Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Cronex Impulse MACD Indicator for MT5. Okay, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Here we go, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the input settings, well, feel free to modify the values according to your taste, right? Depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. So from what we can see, the indicator is being displayed in a separate indicator window. All right. It uses a double filter system to analyze market trends and generate trading signals, right? So the first filter is a moving average line that helps to smooth out price movements and identify the overall direction of the trend. And the second filter, is a histogram bar that measures the difference between the MACD line and the signal line, indicating changes in momentum. So basically, how to get your signals, they're pretty straightforward. All right, you have to just look out for these histogram bars being above the zero level. All right, the histogram bars must be above the zero level, and then you notice that the colors must be blue. Okay, so when you notice that the colors are blue and you see this green shaded area, it shows that there is bullish momentum prevailing in the market. When the shaded area turns red, it means that a pullback is imminent, right? You can see there was a pullback here. When it turns back green, is the impulsive move in the bullish direction. When it turns back red, is a pullback again, and so on and so forth. Then when you finally have the histogram bars drop below the zero level, it has become a sell move, sell momentum. So when the red shaded area is showing, it is the impulsive move for the sell trade. When it turns green, when the shade turns green, it is a pullback for the sell move. Okay, so basically that is how the indicator works. Is pretty straightforward. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.